Thank you. Welcome back. As we had seen before, we had tested our client Chiprui, that is HIV testing. Here, now we want to go directly to PHQ so that we can screen for depression. Now you click on depression screening, make sure the date is okay and time. Now we are moving to the questions. These questions can be filled by clinician or the HTS provider. Now, let us start asking our client some questions. Like question 1, you can see that over the last 2 weeks, how often have you been bothered by any of the following problems? So you'll ask the client. The feedback you get is what we feel here. So for now, as we were doing the eligibility, our client seemed to have depression. So let us check and give assumption of some of the question, and we will see how our forms depression assessment score comes out. Now, little interest or pleasure in doing things, you'll say several days. Then number 2, feeling down, depressed, or hopeless. Hopeless. The client is feeling hopeless. Maybe she will tell you nearly every day. Trouble falling or staying asleep, or sleeping too much, you'll say several days. Feeling tired or having little energy, you'll say several days. Poor appetite or overeating, maybe the client will tell you not at all. Feeling bad about yourself, or that you are a failure, or that you have let yourself or your family down, maybe several days. Then trouble concentrating on things linked with patient usual activity, such as reading the newspapers or listening to a radio program. Say, maybe tell you more than a half a day. Then moving or speaking slowly that other people could have noticed, or the opposite, being so moving or speaking so slowly that other people could have noticed. So you'll ask question to this client so that he will explain. The client, maybe she feels restless and she's afraid to move around than usual. Maybe he'll tell you more than a half a day or nearly every day. As you can see, it has moved from mild to moderate depression. Now, the next step, we go to thought that you were better off dead or hurting yourself in some other way. Maybe tell you more than half a day. So the score is here. Depression assessment score, the PHQ rating. The system has rated her moderate depression. So what do you do in moderate depression? The counseling will take place. counseling will take place by the clinician or the provider who was taking our patient through, so that he assists our patient. Thank you. Now we submit our form after seeing that everything is okay. Now we submit our form. Now, as you can see that our forms under completed visit forms are getting bigger and bigger. We have available forms and the completed forms. After completing a form, it comes down here. That is now for depression. Next, we shall be moving to cervical cancer screening form. We will start with assessment form. We always start with assessment form, then we go to cancer screening. Thank you. As you take a break, maybe you are watching the video so that you can tackle that form. We are taking a break, then we are coming back. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you get any update when we upload new video. Thank you for now.